Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be talking about WP Engine. Yes, so as you can see, WP Engine is the most trusted WordPress hosting provider out there, and let's see why. Okay, WP Engine is a managed WordPress hosting service that has gained a reputation for providing a robust platform for hosted WordPress websites, obviously. Yes, so now let's talk about their performance. Yes, they have a 5 out of 5 stars. WP Engine shines when it comes to performance. They offer a high-speed platform optimized for WordPress, including features like Content Delivery Network or CDN integration. Yes, another feature that we need to talk about WP Engine is that the security. Yes, they have 5 out of 5 security stars. It's a top priority for WP Engine. They have numerous security features, including automated daily backups, malware scanning, and firewalls. Yes. Now, how about the ease of use? 4 out of 5 stars. WP Engine's user interface is clean and intuitive. So they use a custom control panel that might take a bit of time to get used to if you're coming from a different hosting service. However, their managed hosting approach means you don't have to worry about server maintenance or updates. Yes? Now let's talk about the customer support. WP Engine is renowned for its top-notch customer support. They offer 24/7 customer support via live chat and phone. Yes, so they have a great customer support. How about scalability? While WP Engine is an excellent for small to medium-sized websites, it may not be the best option for extremely large sites or complex applications that require custom service configuration. Yes, so if you're thinking about if you have a big company, I mean a really big company, I will recommend you going with the guys from Cloudways. I'm gonna be dropping my links down below, guys, for you to check the best web hosting companies when it comes to very large companies. Yes, but in the meantime, we're gonna be checking about WP Engine. So now let's talk about the price of WP Engine. One of the downsides of WP Engine is that it's pricing. Yes, they charge like $20 per month. That's the cheapest plan. Yes, it's not the most budget-friendly option in the hosting market, but their plans are relatively expensive compared to share hosting providers. However, if you value performance and support, it can be worth the investment. Yes. How about the uptime? Yes, they have 5 out of 5 stars. WP Engine boasts excellent uptime with their infrastructure and architecture designed for reliability. They have a 99.95% uptime guarantee and have a good track record of meeting it. Yes? How about the additional features? WP Engine provides a wide range of additional features, including the staging environment for testing changes, a content performance feature that helps optimize site speed. Yes. Overall verdict: 4.5 out of 5 stars. WP Engine is a premium managed WordPress hosting service that excels in performance, security, and customer support. While it may not be a most affordable option, it's an excellent choice for businesses and individuals who prioritize a hassle-free hosting experience with robust features. Yes, also you can migrate your website in minutes with the guys from WP Engine. Yes, whether you're running a small blog or a complex e-commerce site, WP Engine's managed hosting can provide the peace of mind you need. If the price isn't a significant concern, WP Engine is a top-tier choice for hosting your WordPress website. Don't forget, guys, that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to choose the best web hosting provider that, well, is according to your needs. Yes, don't forget also to give it a like, to my video, and also I have created these awesome blogs for you. Yes, and if you find it interesting, also give it a like. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.